I've been using the Fifth Third Momentum checking account for a while now. And in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a worthwhile option for managing your finances in 2025. This account stands out for its fee-friendly structure. There's no monthly maintenance fee, no minimum balance requirement, and no minimum deposit needed to open an account. It also offers access to over 40,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide, making cash withdrawals convenient and cost-effective. One of the standout features is the early pay option, which allows you to receive your paycheck up to 2 days early when you set up direct deposit. Another useful benefit is the extra time feature, which gives you until midnight the next business day to fix a negative balance before you're charged an overdraft fee. The account comes with a contactless debit card, built-in fraud protection, and access to digital tools that enhance overall account security. However, there are some things to consider. While the checking account itself is free of monthly fees, some services still carry charges. For example, using an out-of-network ATM will cost you $2.75 per transaction. The extra time feature only applies under specific conditions, so you'll need to monitor your account carefully to make sure you're eligible. If you link a Momentum savings account, you'll get access to automated savings tools, but there's a $5 monthly fee unless you maintain a $500 minimum balance or meet other waiver criteria. Lastly, since Fifth Third Bank is primarily located in the Midwest and Southeast, in-person banking access could be limited depending on where you live. In summary, the Fifth Third Momentum checking account is a solid choice for anyone seeking a no-frills, low-cost banking experience with helpful features like early direct deposit and overdraft protection. As long as you stay mindful of the additional service fees, it's a convenient and reliable option. If you found this review helpful, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.